Welcome back, guys. So this is a video on how you can import your Cpen token into your Bybit Web3 wallet. So what you need to do first is to open your Bybit and then you come to your Web3. Remember, we are not using the exchange to import. We are using the Web3 of the Bybit to import the Cpen token. So click on Web3 right here. So this is the Web3 wallet. So what you need to do next is to import your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet, the seed phrase, okay, the recovery seed phrase into the Bybit Web3. So make sure you have your, if it's Trust wallet or MetaMask, make sure you have your recovery seed phrase because you will be needing it to import the wallet into this Web3 Bybit. Okay, so you need to click this arrow that's facing down here. Click on it. So I have about 3 wallets in this Web3 in my Bybit, 3 different wallets. Okay, so what you need to do next is to click on this add and manage wallets. Click on it, then you see create or import a wallet. Remember, you want to import your Cpen into this Web3 Bybit. Okay, so click on create stroke import a wallet. We are importing a wallet, already made wallet. Okay, either your trust wallet or your MetaMask. So we are going to be clicking on import your seed phrase. So now we're going to be choosing enter manually. Please click on enter manually. So now you're going to enter the password you used in creating either your Trust wallet or your MetaMask. The password you're using for your MetaMask or Trust wallet. After putting the password, you click on confirm. So what you need to do next is to enter the seed phrase of that wallet you are importing into the Bybit Web3. If you have copied it from the wallet you want to import here, you paste the seed phrase. So the seed phrase has already been imported. Check wallet. So let's check the wallet. So look at it here. This is the wallet. Okay, so it's imported already. So what I did was to import my MetaMask into my Bybit Web3 wallet. So now let's go and import the Cpen into this wallet. So I've already imported my Cpen already. So I'm just going to do the tutorials by explaining. Okay, so if you want to import your Cpen into that already imported MetaMask or Trust wallet that is in your Bybit already, you come to these 3 lines here. Click on it. After clicking on it, you come to this plus sign. Click on this plus sign here. So now you're going to be changing this Ethereum to BNB chain, that is Binance blockchain. Okay, click on it. Now you're going to be pasting the Cpen contract address here. So if you have it, you go and paste it. Or if you don't have it, you can check the description of this video. It's there. You can use it to, you can use the contact address that is in the description of this video to do yours. So you paste the contract address. Yeah. So the Cpen symbol will appear and the decimal precision will also appear, which is 18. All this will come up. So after you've done all this, you can click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you have imported your Cpen into your Bybit Web3 through the either your Trust wallet that you imported here or your MetaMask wallet that you imported into your Bybit Web3. So that's how to import Cpen into Bybit Web3. Isn't this simple and easy? If you want to check if your Cpen has appeared, it will show, all right, because the MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet you imported will reflect. So you just go straight to the wallet. Yeah, you can change it. If it's not on the wallet you imported, you can still choose the wallet you imported from here and then click on the wallet. Look at the wallet I imported. It will reflect like this, and then your Cpen tokens will appear like this. Okay, so that's how to do it. Easy peasy. So if this is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment, and Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.